Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between WordPress and Shopify. So basically these guys are two different things. WordPress is a content management system you can use to build any website, just as you've known so far so good in this video, in this short crash course, while Shopify on the other way is a website builder for e-commerce websites. So Shopify is a platform hosted on its own on Shopify.com where you go, you sign up, they assign a site to you, an e-commerce site for you, and you can use that to sell your products online and pay them a monthly fee of the particular plan that you choose. Okay, we've already talked about WordPress, the two different ones, WordPress.com and WordPress.org, the free open source one you can self-host and self-manage on your own, and the one that is hosted and maintained by WordPress.com and you pay them money monthly. So Shopify on the other hand is just like the WordPress.com, but not for all websites, just for e-commerce website. But I don't think they're using WordPress to power it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and check these guys. So the key difference between WordPress versus Shopify is that WordPress is a content management system, whereas Shopify is an e-commerce website builder. Okay, you see, an e-commerce website builder. Shopify is made for business owners and has e-commerce features built in. Okay, so now let's go to Shopify.com. Let's go to Shopify.com. Okay, so you see, making e-commerce better for everyone. So Shopify is supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs, the world's best brands, and everyone in between. So, like we say, Shopify is for e-commerce business. So you go to pricing. Now start for free, then enjoy your first 1 month for $1. So you see, these are the different plans. They have a basic plan here, just like WordPress.com, like I told you earlier, $24 per month. So they have 10 inventory locations, 247 chat support, localized global selling, 3 market POS Lite. Then this one, $69 per month. So you see what they have. 299 and $2,300, the plus plan. Okay. So this is Shopify, which is different from WordPress. So under their solution, you see different things you have here. Sell your product, sell online or in person, market your business, reach them, start your business, build your brand, create your website, online store, editor, customize your store, store team, send online, so on and so forth. So guys, that's the difference between WordPress and Shopify. They are not the same thing. So that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.